What's up, guys? Welcome. Oh wow, talk about a nice catch. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. So we are here with the Integra. This injector makes a funny noise. Also, it does this, which it shouldn't do. None of the other ones do that. So it needs a new O-ring, and I have an O-ring set from the injector shop. So I'm gonna put this on, and yeah, I'm gonna change out this injector for one that I had from my Civic. That's this one right here. Looks a little funky, but it'll be okay. I have more. If it's not, we'll figure it out though. But it makes a funny click clacking noise. So all right, we'll take the fuel rail off and get to work. Look at that, that is gross. Holy crap. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do the first test here. Here we go. Damn.
What?
Taking a long time to start, but I just had the injectors out, so we'll see how it goes. She's not spraying any fuel, but she is bucking a lot. Look at that.
One hour later.
Alrighty, y'all, so I don't know why I didn't film this, but a lot of crazy shit happened. I had to end up swapping out 2 injectors, 3 and 4 here. Swapped them out for injectors for my Civic. This was 3, had the crack in it. 4 just wasn't cracking like it should. They both were filthy though. So I swapped 3 with 2, and then 2 started misfiring. And so I replaced 2 and 4. So that's what's cracking now. I'm gonna go for a test drive even though it's kind of dark. We'll see what we got. Hopefully I don't break down. All right, so after the test drive, ripping around the block. Alrighty, so let's make sure that the check engine light isn't gonna pop with these pending codes. Let's just start it again in a second and see how it does. It's taking so long to start before. Awesome, no codes. Thank you, Torque. And thank you, $10 Bluetooth adapter. Oh my God, that's so much better. I just need to replace all the injectors. I have aftermarket injectors for this. I just haven't put them in because I don't have an O2 sensor. I need a wideband to tune everything, so. Yeah, that's good. Alrighty, also to recap, we replaced the 2 injectors from my Integra. Everything went well. Put a new O-ring kit in, and yeah, thank you for coming along on this journey with me. I do appreciate it. I hope you all have a nice evening. Peace out, Cub Scouts.